Hello, are you ready to learn about a really special animal? Let's get started. So, take a good look. Have you ever seen this bear before? Okay, let's get to know this amazing animal. First up, let's meet the bear. Here it is. This is a bear. It's got a very cool name. It is the spectacled bear. And why is it called that? Well, look closely. It has marks around its eyes, and they look just like a pair of glasses. And here's something that makes this bear super special. It is the only bear in all of South America. The only one. So, if it's in South America, where does it live? Let's talk about the bear's home. You'll find this bear way, way up high. It lives in the mountains. And deep inside those mountains, it lives in the forest. All right, we know where it lives, but what about food? What does this bear eat? Well, it really loves its veggies. It eats fruits and plants. In fact, if you look at this chart, you can see that most of what it eats, a whole 80%, is plants. The rest is just a little bit of other stuff. Now, because of what it eats, this bear actually has a really important job. You could even call it a forest gardener. So what does a forest gardener do? Well, it helps the forest grow. It keeps it healthy and strong. So how does it work? It's really simple. First, the bear eats fruits. Then, as it walks around, it spreads the seeds everywhere. And finally, new plants grow from those seeds. How cool is that? This bear does so much for the forest, and that's exactly why we need to protect the bear. The bear is so important. By helping the forest grow, it helps all the other animals and plants that live there too. And that means it's our job. We protect the bear, so it can keep protecting its home. So let's all remember this one very important message. Protect the spectacled bear.